Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kiyari. How you doing? If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, how your mama, how your cousin them doing? In today's video, I am going to be going ahead and doing a wig install on the What Lace Swiss Lace Cloud 9 Lace Front Wig. And I did purchase her in the color 1B. The name of this wig is called Kiyari. I believe that's how you say the name. She does come in multiple different colors. If you would like to check it out, I will leave a link in the description box below. Let's go ahead and start unpackaging this unit. As you can see, this unit's lace didn't quite match my skin tone. So later I am going to go ahead and touch that up. But let's get into the specs of the wig. In this wig, it does come with a 13x6 frontal on the wig, and it also does come with some combs on the inside. There's one on the left, and then there's also one on the right side of the wig, and there's one in the back where the tag is, and there's also adjustable straps for small head girls. This cap does come constructed very well with the combs for secureness. I am starting off with the makeup wipe remover towelette just because I do not like to use alcohol on my skin. It does dry it out a little too much, so I'm going in and just wiping my entire face. I did go ahead and start brushing the wig out just so I can put it on my head and make sure that it fits the way I want it to. And then I'm going to go ahead and begin cutting off the ear tab. The next step is to go ahead and apply your color foundation on your lace. If your lace is lighter than your skin, you want to go ahead and try this option just so that it can match with your skin better when you're applying it with your spray or your Ghost Spun or whatever you're going to use. I recommend that you use your exact tone of foundation or powder. I did use my Il Makiage foundation, and I'll have a link in the info cards if you want to go see what shade I got if you're a similar skin tone. And this is the final outcome. I'm going in and doing the 2-cap method with my stocking caps. I'm placing one of the caps halfway back and then one of the caps all the way, cutting the holes in the ears as normal, and applying my makeup first. That way, whenever I do start to apply my spray adhesive, it does not drip or patch up. And then I'm going in with my Eben adhesive lace spray that I got from my local beauty supply store. This works way better than Godspeed glue in my opinion, and you can actually sweat and it don't come off, honey. So I am going in with this, doing 2 coats, and I didn't have my blow dryer at the time, so I am using the info card that came with the wig to dry it, y'all. Don't do this because my lace ended up coming up on the ends by my sideburns, and I had to go back and spray it, but overall the look came out perfect. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and pop this baby on and see how she's looking. I did line the wig hairline up with the cap that is on my forehead just so I can make sure that it's not showing. I went in with the 24-hour Edge Tamer wax stick just to make sure there were no flyaways in the way when I was going to spray the lace. In this portion of the video, I did notice that I kind of tacked down the cap a little lower than expected when it came to the wig, so I did go ahead and cut those off and then begin spraying the lace. guys can see, it was definitely a struggle when it came to using this little paper to dry my lace. You guys, when I tell you it was the longest time I've ever spent applying my lace, that I just got so tired of doing it, and I went to stand under the ceiling fan, y'all. As you can tell by the expression on my face, I'm over it. So over it. As you guys can see, I didn't stop there. I kept going because what's the point of the video if you don't keep going, right? So I did go ahead and comb out the excess spray that was in the roots of this wig, honey, and got to work with cutting off the lace. Unfortunately, when I noticed that the scissors was not giving me the look I was going for, I went to go get a eyebrow razor and I noticed that it didn't record, but now we're here. I am taking that razor and doing some baby hairs, but instead of like cutting it all the way off, I'm kind of thinning it with the baby hair razor and then I'm cutting it off. So as you can see, the hair gradually goes from short to long like your natural hair does. That's exactly what I did, and that's how I accumulated my baby hairs. Now I was going for a natural look, so it was a little hard to determine how I wanted to place my baby hairs, but I got it and laid them babies down. Now, as you know, with most synthetic wigs, they do come either a little lumpy or you have to use a wax stick, so that's exactly what I did. I used my 24-hour edge wax stick by the same company as the lace spray, put my straightening comb on at 350 and laid the part, y'all. As I straightened it, it automatically began to get, it was giving silk press, natural. It was giving all of that, y'all, and I was loving every minute of it. Now I'm going in and doing the finishing touches. I did grab my Morphe palette and I'm using the same color that my scalp should be. And I'm going in and filling in those little gaps where the baby hairs are looking like it's coming from the scalp. I'm going through and just applying some of that eyeshadow where the edges are and where the frontal meets my skin. This is the finished look, guys, and I want to thank you all so much. If you've reached the end of this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Check me out, y'all.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on